What's up guys, me Jimmy. So here's a TUDIA case here, a TUDIA case for the Logitech 602 mouse. Okay, here's my mouse. So you tell me, how are you guys? This mouse I bought from Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. Why my hand looks so white? It doesn't really matter how hard you try. I think now better, right? Okay, this is a hard case. As you can see, I can fit the mouse like this. No, how do I fit? Okay, somewhat like this, and close. I'm not getting it. Wait. Okay, I can fit the mouse like this and close like this. Yeah, isn't that amazing? I mean, it's a hard, easy to carry mouse. Okay, that's enough. Maybe I can, or I can carry something else. Maybe like my GoPro. Can I carry GoPro in it? Yeah. Okay, subscribe and bye.